Welcome to another 60-second tips. Today I'm going to show you how to put your logo on the field. So I'm just going to copy and paste this Tigers logo that I created a while ago, put it on the grass, scale it up, and I'm going to change its blending mode to soft light. Next, what you want to do is duplicate this layer 2 more times. So you have 3 layers. In that top layer, you're going to change its blending mode to color. And you're basically done. So you can do this with pretty much anything that you want to put on the field. So the lines, other logos. You can also use the same technique for logos on a wall. And I hope you enjoy.